Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to boost your chances on Bumble. Boosting your chances of matching on Bumble involves optimizing your profile, being active, and engaging effectively with potential matches. Here are some tips to help you enhance your chances. First is to create an attractive profile. Use high-quality photos. Choose a clear, well-lit image that showcases your personality. Craft a bio that reflects your personality, interest, and what you are looking for. Use Bumble prompts to share more about yourself and make your profile more interactive. You also need to log in regularly. Frequent use of the application keeps you visible and increase your chance of matching with new users. Be selective but also open to swipe right on profiles that catch your eyes. You can also consider subscribing to Bumble Booster Premium for features like seeing who liked you, rematching with expired connection, and extending the time for matches. You can also use Super Swipe to show extra interest in someone's profile. This can help you stand out and increase your chances of matching. Once matched, send a friendly and engaging first message. Ask one-ended questions or reference something in their profile to encourage a response. If someone messages you, respond promptly. This shows interest and keep the conversation going. If you are looking for professional connection, use Bumble Base to network and increase your chance to meet like-minded individuals. You also need to maintain a positive attitude and be genuine in your interaction. Authenticity attracts like-minded matches. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly boost your chances of finding meaningful matches on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.